What's going on, guys? Cool Trainer Camillo here. I am very excited to be back with you guys to unbox the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I am really excited for this upgrade because I am currently using the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's been 3 years since I did my last iPhone unboxing video, and this year felt like it was finally worth it to upgrade from going from the 12 to the 15. I've been waiting patiently all day for this to be delivered. It didn't get delivered until like 5:30 today. So let's see what we got inside. Ooh. So I did get the natural titanium color, and I think it started at 256 gigabytes. So the colors this year, I feel like blue was like the only actual color besides like the black and white and like gray. But I have the iPhone 12 Pro and it like already came in blue, and I really don't like getting the same color of phone because it like looks like the same phone. So I'm really excited for the titanium, the natural titanium. So like the color suggests, this is the first iPhone made of titanium. It's supposed to be slightly lighter than the previous models, but we'll be the judge of that. And this is the first iPhone model to finally use USB-C. The lightning cable is finally dead.
I still love you.
Oof, that looks really good. Oh, it actually is like, wow, that is really light. I remember when I got my iPhone 12, I was like, this is a heavy phone. There wasn't really any crispy plastic that time. That's a crime. Wow, this is like really, it's like still the same like boxy cut as like the iPhone 12 and 13, I think, but it's a lot, like the edges are a lot smoother. Wow, it's actually really light. Oh yeah, like the 12 is like, feels like considerably heavier. Oh, let's power it on. The iPhone 15s also have this new action button. Basically, it replaces the mute switch, but you can use this button for any, like you can program the button for anything. You can program it to turn on your do not disturb. You can program it to like open a tweet. The possibilities are really endless. Wow, yeah, and like the bezels are a lot smaller compared to my 12. Oh my gosh. So while I'm going through the setup, let's talk about some of the new features. Like I said, USB-C is now included. Only the Pro models get the boost from like the data transfer, so it'll be like 20 times faster because you're using like the USB-C 3.0 standard on the Pro models, but the regular 15s just get like the connectivity port. It's like the same speed as like a lightning port. So like that's kind of like lame, but I guess maybe next year the regular iPhone 16 will have that. I'm also really excited for the camera functionality because it's gonna be a lot better than my 12. The 15, I think this is only on the 15 Pro Max. You get up to a 5 times optical zoom. That's gonna be really cool to test out. And I'm really excited to try out like how the new battery life is, because like this phone is like 3 years old now, barely makes it through a day for me. Okay, I'm gonna set this up and I'll be back in a sec.
A few moments later.
All right, so looks like this is gonna take a while. Let's see what else what we got in the box. We got our lovely woven USB-C cable. About freaking time. And I'm guessing our Apple stickers. I don't remember when Apple stopped using SIM cards, but iPhones do not require a SIM card anymore. Oh, you only get one Apple sticker? It's kind of cheap. But I'm excited to test this thing out and see how much better it is than my current phone. Oh, I also got a case, so let's try that out. I usually like to get clear cases because I like to actually see what color it is. I'm also really excited to test out the new graphics on the iPhone 15 Pro because these phones are like running console quality games now. I think like you can get like Resident Evil 8 running with like ray tracing and stuff. I've been currently playing Final Fantasy VII Ever Crisis. That's the new Final Fantasy VII mobile game. It's basically just like an episodic retelling of Final Fantasy VII, Crisis Core, and the story from that like Final Fantasy VII Battle Royale game that came out like a year or two ago. And I haven't really tried shooting in ProRes yet. That's one of the Apple's video formats. But apparently on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you can shoot in 4K 60 ProRes. I believe you need an external drive to like plug into it when you're doing that, because it's like you need incredibly fast speeds to write to a drive. But that might be something I have to check out. Let me know in the comments down below if you are getting one of the new iPhones, the iPhone 15, the iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, or the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And if you aren't getting one, tell me which phone you do have in the comments down below. All right, I think I'm gonna end the video there, so don't forget to super smash that like button down below.